Okay, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hit a couple of estate sales in the past week and picked up several toolboxes. This is the first one. We're going to do a little toolbox tour. This is just a plastic Craftsman, kind of an inexpensive toolbox. We're going to go through it and kind of see what we got here. So here we go. First thing we got is this little hammer. Adjust my I guess it's a brass hammer. It must be painted silver. Pretty nice little handle on it. Don't see a name. A little banged up, but first cool piece. Got a church key. Says it's lucky when you live in America. Lucky Lager. Pretty cool. Yeah, we got a mechanical pencil. Dale Jr. Some kind of cheap little scissors. Okay, we got a couple of these clamps here. It says new vise. Never had these before, so I don't know exactly what they're for. Another one. Looks like KNU new vise P-400. Got some kind of mini screwdriver here. Looks like a Kakarot K-Star feeler gauges. Looks like there's probably about 20 of them there. Got some kind of little sketch scale, little ruler. And got a whetstone there. Other than that, in the tray, just miscellaneous lag bolts. Okay, we're gonna get down to the bottom. Got a little skill screwdriver, electric screwdriver, 1/4 inch. I can't read the part number. Made in China. Looks like it's got a USB rechargeable. We got a soldering gun tips, 2-piece. We got a Craftsman screwdriver, BF Craftsman Vanadium. It's kind of an older one. I believe I've seen that before. There's another one, Craftsman 415/84 WF, 1/4 inch. There's a green handled. It's actually a channel lock. Don't see too many with the green handles. It's like a number 337 diagonal cutter. Okay, here we got a jet twister M-84 for tying safety wire. Got a Sharpie. Got a V series, so there's no part number on these. Got a 5/8 by 3/4, a 1/2 by 9/16, and a 3/8 by 7/16 B series. Or something kind of you don't see every day. This is a Craftsman double box, 3/8, 7/16 vanadium. Got the AF, no part number. And then we got this Craftsman long C double box, 5/8, 11/16 vanadium. You get another church key. It just says Echo Chicago EKCO. Get another one here. Magnet. That'll probably end up on my fridge. Put that on the side. We got a set of Craftsman ignition wrench set. Like 10 pieces there. 4, 8, 10, yeah. Full set. Got another Craftsman Phillips. Can't read the part number, it's worn off. Some kind of little test light here. 6 volt, 12 volt. That's all it says on it. Another screwdriver here. Almost looks like it could be a proto, but I don't know. It says Bell Systems. The old phone company, I guess. What do we got here? Some fungus stuff for toenails. Antifungal pen. There's a little set. Got 3 little offset Craftsman ignition wrenches. 6-point. And then a little, I don't know, kind of a little junk adjustable wrench. I wish it was a little Craftsman. That'd be kind of cool. I think somebody made that setup. I never saw that before. And then, guys, what we got, just a couple miscellaneous. So that's what we got for this week, guys. Please like and subscribe. And until the next one, you all have a great week. Thanks for watching.